We got some great news on XDC. The XDC network has emerged as a major force behind blockchain-driven transformation of cross-border trade finance, employing institutional adoption, regulatory alignment, and network utility development to position itself for long-term growth.
With the evolution of the crypto market, XDC's hybrid blockchain model, merging features of both public and private chains, has allowed it to solve key pain areas in cross-border payments, supply chain transparency, and asset tokenization.
By 2026, these are likely to trigger institutional demand and appreciation in the price of the XDC token. Institutional adoption of XDC has sped up through strategic partnerships and regulated financial instruments.
The introduction on Euronext Paris and Amsterdam in 2024 of the 21 shares XDC Network ETP provided European investors with a physically backed, fully collateralized exposure to XDC, bridging the gap between legacy finance and blockchain innovation.
Also, the integration of the network with Utila's MPC wallets and Libre's tokenized investment fund platforms used by BlackRock and Brevan Howard has enabled institutional asset management and compliance. These developments accentuate XDC's value proposition to enterprises seeking secure, scalable solutions for digital asset custody and trade finance.
Regulatory alignment also boosted the credibility of XDC.
As a member of the MyCA Crypto Alliance, the network demonstrated that it is committed to aligning with EU regulation standards, a critical factor for institutions to operate in compliance-intensive environments. Coupled with XDC's ISO 20022 compliance, a universal standard for financial messaging, this alignment makes it an infrastructure of choice for banks and trade platforms that want to upgrade their operations.
Analyst predictions for XDC's 2026 price trajectory are bullish for its institutional adoption and utility expansion.
With a 5% YoY growth rate, XDC is forecast to reach $0.1004 in 2026, with bull arguments that its high can be at $0.3018 if the crypto market cap goes up to $10 trillion.
The XDC 2.0 update, introducing a Byzantine fault-tolerant consensus algorithm, sub-3-second transaction finality, and deflationary tokenomics, is expected to enhance network security and scarcity, also supporting price growth.
Over $300 million institutional staking volumes through August 2025 similarly reflect strong confidence in XDC's network. Partnerships with BlackRock and Fidelity, as well as tokenization of $500 million of RWAs, further secure the network's strategic position within the institutional blockchain landscape.
Circle announced the integration of its native USD coin on the XDC network, a major milestone in the expansion of the stablecoin.
USDC, already being heavily utilized in leading blockchain environments like Ethereum, Solana, and Polygon, is now natively available on XDC. The move eliminates the need for wrapped tokens and cross-chain bridges, offering users and developers on the XDC network safer, faster, and more efficient transactions.
This rollout is led by Circle's innovative cross-chain transfer protocol V2, natively bridgelessly supporting transfers of USDC.
CCTP V2 utilizes a burn and mint mechanism for seamless transfer of USDC between chains, enhancing interoperability.
Through this, users can now transfer USDC on XDC with the same level of ease as any other well-known chain. The article features 4 altcoins that will change the world of crypto: Jetbolt, Flare Network, XDC Network, and 4.
Jetbolt stands out with its zero-gas technology and social staking platform, while Flare Network is an interoperability expert with a multi-utility token. XDC Network is set to address issues in global trade and finance, while 4 has a multi-layered architecture framework.
These altcoins have attracted the attention of investors and are worth monitoring in the current alt season. XDC Network is a hybrid, enterprise-grade blockchain that specializes in global trade and finance issues.
As a hybrid blockchain, it supports smart contracts and offers numerous use cases in both these areas. XDC tokens can be used to pay for gas, for staking, and for rewarding contributors, making it a promising altcoin. Ethereum's record run has generated an interest in altcoins, and analysts have identified Jetbolt, Flare Network, XDC Network, and 4 as potential disruptors.
Each of the altcoins has unique features, from zero-gas technology to innovations in GameFi, that have made them a topic of interest in cryptocurrency communities. Investors should monitor these altcoins for more information. Brazilian securitization and credit structuring firm Vert Capital plans to tokenize between $1 billion and $1 trillion of debt and receivables on the XDC network, expanding the uses of public blockchain technology in structured finance, the firms told CoinDesk.
The firms will bring financial assets such as corporate debt, agribusiness receivables, and structured credit products onto the blockchain within the next 30 months under the deal. The migration positions Vert's existing securitization business, serving clients like Cargill, Santander, and Raisin, towards digital issuance with a blockchain-based platform to meet regulatory and audit requirements. Meanwhile, XDC Network, an Ethereum-compatible Layer 1 with 2-second settlement times and support for ISO 20022 messaging, has positioned itself as a platform for tokenizing real-world assets. Its partners include Circle, Deutsche Telekom, MMS, and Securitize, and the network has integrated frameworks like Emiliter and R3 Corda to enable cross-border finance.
The deal between XDC and Vert is one of an increasingly long list of tokenization moves worldwide. Traditional banking institutions increasingly explore blockchain rails for transferring and recording titles to financial assets like credit, bonds, and funds, or otherwise known as real-world assets, with a view to gaining operational efficiencies. If you like this news, like this video and subscribe for more news on XDC Network.